Wow. Wednesday already. The 21st of May. Unreal. How fast this is flying by. Ooh, good times.
Yeah.
Oh, just so everybody knows, Jared's going to be on vacation from July 7th to July 11th.
What? 7
Yeah. Yeah. So
We're all fucked.
yeah. Everybody get their requests in now. Oh, good times. So what you got for us today is?
All right. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, May 21st. Got a couple lessons here for you. We're going to cut it short since we got our 8 o'clock and book clubs after this. So we're going to get started. We got a new course, 64 Traits of an Entrepreneur. So we're going to switch it up a little bit, get more into mindset. And today we're going to watch trait number 3 and trait number 4.
Great salespeople invest in activities that will grow their business, and they avoid spending time on things that won't. But building a business is not an organizational activity. It's not even about technology or planning or the business plan or the ideas. It's about action. It's about utilizing time, and the great salespeople know where to use, invest, and leverage time and those things they need to let go of completely. Be productive, be great. Great salespeople are always seeking more effective ways to serve their customers. Look for new ways to exceed your customers' expectations. Great salespeople control the service. They would never, ever delegate it to someone else. The greats demand the opportunity to serve before the sale, during the sale, and after the sale. Look, they actually want that opportunity. The greats want to know how they can do more for their customer. How can they help that customer? How can they offer more and exceed expectations? The greats want to send their clients more information, write them more, recommend more. Help has nothing to do with this sale. It's about service. It's about exceeding the expectations and building a business that is great.
Bam.
Bam. It's good shit, right?
Yeah.
Ray Dalio was talking about leveraging your time, and he has, I don't know how the guy calculates that stuff, but he was at like 100-to-1 leverage rate. Like every hour he spent was worth 100 of his employees' hours or something like that.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
That's the whole idea, right? You're only one person, so that's why you got to build a team, because otherwise you're maxed out with your own capacity. And it doesn't matter how fucking awesome you are. You're one guy's not going to beat 1,000.
Yeah.
So it's like Grant always says, the biggest and best known companies in the world have thousands of employees. It's just a fact. So yeah, I love it. So a little bit of estimating news today. Oh wait, I'm taking over. Marketing tip.
Oh, marketing tip. Yeah, be productive. You wanna know how to get your marketing game up? Just show everything that you're doing. Everything. Doesn't matter if it's a little task, big tasks, projects that you're working on. Just get on there, because perception is reality. If you want to start showing people that you're busy, or give them that perception that you are busy because you want to be hired, and give them that, like, they feel safer hiring you than somebody else that's busy. Social media is going to do that for you. It's going to step up your game, and just, act to your potential, not your reality, even if you're not busy. But if you are busy already, hey, use that as a tool. Get out there even more, be in front of people, because if you ain't, somebody else is. Let's go.
Oh, so time management, right?
You're
already doing something. Shoot a video.
Yeah.
Boom. Well, we're doing that in here too with the looms and the scribes, right? We're already doing something. Click it on and do a quick loom and a scribe, help the next guy do it faster, right? So we got to do it bigger, better, faster, stronger, bigger, better, faster, stronger. So, so Parkside West for Toll Brothers, that goes in today. We got another project kicked to us by Matt over at Waterways, Butano Canyon. It is a environmental, I guess it's a creek, like a creek repair or something like that.
Yeah, riprap, willow poles, redwood trees bolted together, the typical Matt Weld
Ooh,
field engineer type thing.
love it.
It's kind of cool, yeah.
Other
Sightwalk is on Tuesday
ooh,
in Pescadero
all right.
next week.
Yeah. It'll be a busy week next week.
Yeah.
Other wins, we got our payment from Jacaranda, and we even got a payment from Falk this week. We did a pure client estimate for Arrow yesterday, and we talked to a new prospect for I think they'll probably slip in at the Oiler level is my guess.
That's cool. Wow.
So we're a lot of good things are happening.
Is that Julian and Art?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
On the payment thing real quick, I noticed that Falk is like with the addition of Heather, it seems like that process is happening quicker.
Yeah.
It's like pretty noticeable.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
They're only like, I think 2 months behind now instead of 3. So.
yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Let's see. Last update. I talked to Masood yesterday. He's in. So it's just a matter of when he walks in the door. And I'm gonna keep pushing them to be sooner than later. So hopefully we'll have a new shiny face here on Monday morning. Is it Memorial Day this week?
Yes. Yeah.
Well, I remember us working last year, so we'll be working. But maybe he won't. All right, guys. Thank you for jumping in this morning. Like Izzy said, we do have the 8 o'clock coming up, so we are gonna bounce and get prepared. Let's go. Do it.
See ya.